about to give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode. All right, homies and homettes, let's go ahead and walk you through this chest and arms workout. This is a very well-rounded chest and arm routine. It's not an arm day. It's not a chest day. Chest and arms day. Very well-rounded, okay? Here we are, starting off with pec flies. I like pec flies. I like doing pec flies before the pressing. I feel more secure during pressing movements when the pecs are pumped with blood first. I feel more secure when my shoulder joint is warmed up first. So this exercise right here, it adducts at the shoulder joint, you know, makes your elbows come in. That's gonna warm those shoulders up and put some blood in the pecs. So here we are, starting off with an incline bench. I use this day to focus on technique and form, to focus on my neuromechanical matching. As you see, I'm going very deep, really stretching those pec fibers along the collarbone area. You know, the clavicle head, really stretching the pecs, okay? Here we are doing some dips. As you see, Ashley is doing machine assisted. I'm doing mine body weight. As you see, this is a great routine. Women and men can both do this routine and get great results, okay? Here we are doing dips, like I said. On mine, I'm going wide and I'm pausing on each rep to really strengthen and engage my stabilizers. Now this machine right here just got added to the gym I go to. It's by Panada. It's by a brand called Panada. As you see, the elbows goes downward. The elbows go downward because this is a decline press. If this was more of a flat press, the elbows would go a little higher. Since this is decline, we're gonna target the lower part of those pecs, the costal area, okay? Great machine right here, I actually like it. I'm used to the hammer strength. When it comes to decline presses, I feel like the hammer strength wide grip is one of the best. But this machine right here, I admit, I actually like it, man. It's right up there with it. Okay, nice deep stretch, real good squeeze. Great machine right there, okay? So we're finishing off our chest with some cable crossovers. As you guys see, really opening up my shoulder blades. You see I'm opening up, then I'm squeezing at the bottom. I'm not rushing the reps. Look again, look. Pause at the top, deep breath in, and come on down. A lot of people forget your pecs are connected to your respiratory muscles. Same with the lats. You'll be surprised how much more of a pump you get, how much more of a stretch you'll get when you really get in tune with your breathing. You want to talk more about that in the video? You guys let me know, okay? As you see Ashley hanging in, set for set, rep for rep, killing it. See my elbows? See my elbows? Now look. Let that little difference make a difference.
Wait, do it again.
See my elbows? Now look. You see that?
Woo!
Just that little difference make a huge difference.
Okay.
All triceps. All triceps. Next summer is over. Next summer is over.
Come on.
Like I just said, that little elbow position, believe it or not, makes a difference. Not only will it make a difference on how much of a pump you can get, you know, how great of a contraction you can get. Look at her elbows, look how they're close to the body. But yeah, it can make a difference on elbow pain. A lot of people tend to have elbow pain when they train their triceps. It could be some imperfections in their form. Remember, the laws of physics govern all your physical movements. So you gotta keep that in mind when we're talking about training muscles, especially single joint motions like tricep extensions. You know, you wanna minimize overtaxing your elbow, overtaxing those ligaments. Make sure your form is together. So we did tricep press downs, and we're doing some overhead dumbbell extensions. We're doing 2 tricep movements, and we're doing 2 bicep movements. This right here is the second tricep movement. One of my favorite movements right there, by the way. So here we are with the bicep movements. Hammer curls, look at me. Squeezing, taking my time. And you're gonna see in just a moment, this right here is actually the final set. On the final set, I got a little, look at that, you'll see it, there you go. Isometric hold, you see it. Give it like a 5 to 10 second hold. Really destroy that brachialis, okay? That little muscle right on the side of the arm, that little isometric, one of my best kept secrets, okay? When I'm cutting down, I really increase my isometrics. That really helps bring out those details. We can talk about that a little more in the future, okay? And here we are with the bicep curls on a seated cable row. Seated cable row bicep curls. I'm telling you, another one of my best kept secrets. You've been following me for years. I love this variation of curls. You know, my goal this fall and winter is just continue to perfect my neuromechanics, continue to perfect my form, make little improvements, and show up next summer looking incredible for my 40th. Let's get it.
We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.